guys, welcome to Electrofun. In today's video, we will see how you can make weather station using Nextion display and some sensors and Arduino. So let's get started. So here we have a Nextion display with us. So it's a human machine interface display which has onboard processor and a memory touch display which can easily develop GUIs using the Nextion editor software. Now it's so handy and so easy to use that you can make sliders, buttons, text and many more other features using the Nextion editor. So let's just quickly see what we can do with this. So it has some wires. So we have this model which is a 3.5-inch display. It has a memory card slot which has onboarded processors which will store the data. It has some connections over here which are responsible for its power and two-way communication. So let's just see. We have a DST sensor and BMP 280 sensor, barometric pressure sensor. So we'll just make a GUI using the Nextion editor, and then we'll move on with the connections, and then we'll check how our code works. Get started with installation of the Nextion editor. You just have to type the Nextion on your Google, and then it will take you to the website of Nextion, and there you can see on the download section you will have an option to download the software. Just install the software and then we'll move on with the software. So the software looks something like this. You have to create a new project where you will have to select the device. The device is basically your module or display which you are using. So in our case we are using a 3.5-inch display which has a resolution of 320 to 480 pixels, and then there are various displays starting from basic, enhanced and intelligent. So we have one of enhanced. Then you can select the position orientation of your display. So we have selected it horizontal, and then you can just start with your making the GUI. So I just have made a new font from going into the tools. Now I'm just giving you an overview of how you can use the features. If you want me to make a complete detailed video of how to get started with Nextion display, comment in the section. I'll make sure I'll make a video on it. So here I have made a display. I have made an image using Photoshop which has this some messages and icons to make it like more sense. So once we are done with that, I have added text over here. So as you can see, there's a text over here which has some ID and object name which will be used in our code. So I have just selected text over here. You can select number, but in the case of number you won't get decimal. So that's the reason I have selected text. So I have just placed the text as per my orientation. Now moving on with the connection diagram. I have already covered a video on interfacing DHT22 sensor and BMP280 sensor with my Arduino. So the connection remains the same. Let's just quickly move on with the connections. So quickly moving on with the connections, I'll just connect the DHT sensor and the BMP sensor over here. Then I'll connect the power pins, VCC and ground. Connecting the power to 5 volts and ground to ground. So here we are done with the power connections. Now connecting the I2C. So the I2C connections are done in such a way, SCL and SDA. So This is loose, we'll take a new one. So SCL goes on A5 and SDA goes on A4. Then we are left with the data of DST. So connecting this on pin number 2. Now powering the connection. So I'll just connect this to power it. So red in positive 5 volts and orange in the negative. So red is my positive. So I'll connect this on the 5 volts of the connection display. Then orange to the negative. So here we are done with the connections. So now what we need to do is we need to put the memory card into our system, and then we'll have to connect that into our display. So once we power it, it will read the file, and then it will then we have to disconnect and remove the memory card. After that, it will show the GUI which you have created. So let's see how you can do that. So here we have connected our memory card. It shows over here. So once the memory card is connected, what you need to do is go on to the files and create the TFT file once you are done. So before that, if you need to debug this, how you can do is just save it, compile it. If you have any errors, you will see the errors over here, and you can just debug it in the console over here as well. So it will open a console, and uh, using the values or using the object ID which you have defined, you can just type some commands over here and see if you are getting the data. So as you can see, I have just typed the text over here as 30.1 and we are getting humidity, and so on you can get for temperature and barometry. So you can just finalize the alignment over here, debug it, and then move on with the uploading the GUI into your display, so that it will increase your efficiency. So now I'll just generate the file and I'll save it in desktop. So the file is saved over here. I'll copy this file and then I'll paste it into the memory card over here. So we have pasted the TFT file over here. So now I'll just remove the memory card once and connect it onto my removing it. Now I'll connect it. So now we have a memory card over here which has the TFT file. I'll plug the memory card nicely on my display and just power the display. So as you can see, it is starting to load the memory card details and copying into the local storage. So it says the update is successful. If you are trying to upload any other display, you will get an error. So just disconnect it once again, unplug the memory card, and now you will see the display which you have created on your Nextion editor, but you don't have values yet because you have not created any Arduino code. So let's see how you can do that. So moving on with the code, we have a DST sensor and the BME sensor, BMP280 sensor. So including the header files, creating an object, defining the DST pin, creating some variables, and then scrolling down, initializing the DHT and the BMP sensor. So now we are reading the data over here, and then we are sending the command as per the object we have defined. So you have to check if you are sending the humidity. So humidity is over here with the T0 object which I created. After that, it's the T1 where the temperature is sent. So here is the T1 object which is created, object name. So you can access that using the t1.txt, sending the temperature in string format so that we can get the decimal value as well. And finally the pressure, which is T2 over here. So t2.txt. Now after every command you send into your Nextion display, you have to make sure you send these three commands, which is 0xff. This will write the data which you are sending on serial to your Nextion display. So this is very important, you have to include that. So this is here we are done with the code. I'll just compile the code and upload the code. Guys who are watching this video and who haven't watched my interfacing of BMP sensor with Arduino, you make sure you watch that, because if you are getting an error, so in that video I have shown how you can solve the error. So here we are done uploading the code. Now what you need to connect is, there's a serial print statement that basically means you are transmitting something to the Nextion display. So you have to connect the RX pin of your Nextion. Here you have uploaded the code on your Arduino. So just connect a wire from TX of Arduino to RX of your display. So RX is the second pin from ground. So this is how the connections are completed. So as you can see, the connections are loose. So as you can see, the data of temperature, humidity and pressure, we are getting it on our display. So this is how you can I'll just clean this and then I'll reset it once. So yeah, so this is how you can make weather station using the DHT and BMP sensor. So I hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. The code of it with a complete explanation will be mentioned in the description. Make sure you go and check it. So I'll just touch it so that the value changes. So as you can see, the humidity value is changing. I have just touched the DHT sensor and the temperature is also changing. So yeah, so here we are done with making weather station using the Nextion display. Thank you.